Hey Henna Guys Fam, here's a quick little how-to on our new scalp massager. Scalp massager has long bristles to help eliminate stubborn flakes and dandruff. It helps to eliminate product buildup from daily use, giving a deeper clean feeling. It has comfortable bristles to provide a pain-free experience, helps to promote blood circulation to the scalp to increase hair growth, and it provides a relaxing at-home scalp massage with little to no effort. You'll just want to wet your hair and lather with a shampoo. You'll want to use a scalp massager and apply the desired pressure to the scalp. Make small circles with the massager using the same amount of pressure. And then once your scalp feels squeaky clean, rinse the shampoo. You can apply and rinse with conditioner. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.